Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I've uploaded. I haven't sat down to film a video in weeks. I actually don't know how long it's been, but I missed you guys. I'm back. Fall is here, so you already know. I'm planning my videos. I'm getting all my content ready. This is like my favorite time of year for my channel, for my Instagram. I just love creating fall content for you guys. It's my favorite season and it's just so cozy. I just feel like my creativity really sparks this time of year because I'm just so inspired by all the fashion, the recipes, just the whole fall aesthetic is everything to me. And I knew that I needed to head to Trader Joe's to get all of their fall stuff because that for me honestly just like commemorates the fall season. Trader Joe's is like the happiest place on earth this time of year. I love it so much. And of course I was gonna film a haul for you guys. If you're new to my channel, I do so much gluten-free content. I do fashion, lifestyle, beauty, all that, but a big part of my channel has become gluten-free cooking, gluten-free recipes, gluten-free recommendations, grocery hauls. So I will link that whole playlist below so you guys can check it out, as well as my fall playlist so you guys can get in the spirit. I even have, you can't see it, but I have my little pumpkin. It just makes me so happy. It's like a little pumpkin pillow. I got it from Joanne. It's so cute. I'm a basic bitch through and through, and I just really let it shine this time of year. I have no shame. So I hope you guys enjoy and get into the fall spirit. Thank you for being patient. I will be uploading more frequently again because I have so many videos I want to do before the season is over. How did I forget to say? I chopped my hair off since you guys saw me last. I feel like I've shared it so many times on Instagram already and on my shorts, so maybe you guys have already seen it. So yeah, that's what you missed if you don't follow me on Instagram, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and get into the haul. And under the stars, you pack up your car, 'cause you're going far away from here. This haul happened in under 20 minutes. I don't even know how. I just like, when we walked out, we had all this stuff and I was like, what? I was so excited to see all the pumpkin stuff, obviously, and I think I just kind of blacked out, which I feel like is always what happens in Trader Joe's. I'm so overwhelmed and excited by how many options there are. I just want to look at everything and you're just throwing stuff in the cart. $2.99, $3.99, and then you walk out spending $100. But I'm very excited to share with you guys. So I'm gonna start with some things that I need to get into the fridge. Like these, actually need to go in the freezer, these hash browns. Not a fall festive item, but just the best. I mean, they have the best hash browns ever. So I need to get those away. And then same with this salmon. We love doing this with bagels and cream cheese, some red onion, some capers, some lemon pepper. It's just the best. So gonna put this away. I think that's all I'm really concerned about. I mean, I have these raviolis, but we'll get to them. I think they'll be fine. Okay, now on second thought, I feel like I do need to get these in the fridge, so let's do these first. Gluten-free pumpkin ravioli. I saw these all over TikTok and on Reels when people were sharing what the new fall items were. I'm obviously always looking out for the gluten-free stuff. They actually do a pretty great job of including a lot of gluten-free items in the seasonal products, so I'm very grateful for that. I am not sure what kind of sauce I'm supposed to have with these. I don't know if it suggests anything on the back, but I did pick up the Harvest creamy pasta sauce. I always grab something in a jar like this. I can never remember if it's soup or if it's pasta sauce. Maybe I'll watch my haul from last year and see if I got it. Can't remember what I thought of it, but we'll see. So if you guys don't suggest that I eat it with the raviolis, I could also do it with this pasta. I thought these looked so good. I don't know if they're new. I don't know if they're seasonal, but I've personally never noticed them or heard anything about them. But they look just like really great quality. They're made with corn and rice flour. So just really happy to see those. I had to grab them right away. And they were a great price as well, which most things at Trader Joe's are. So that's not surprising, but let me get this in the fridge. Okay, next up, I just have to talk about these right now because my jaw was on the floor when I saw these. Are these new? Can somebody let me know? I haven't heard of them. I've never noticed them. And I've been looking for gluten-free Madeleines for years. As a girl who grew up eating the Starbucks Madeleines, I can't even tell you how happy this makes me. I hope they're good. Maybe I'll do a little taste test at the end of this. We'll see. And then we grabbed some more chili onion crunch. The way we've been going through this is not normal. We eat so much of this, especially with eggs in the morning. It's so good with like some steamed rice, an over medium egg, and some of this chili onion crunch, maybe some bacon, maybe some Spam. Oh my God, it is so good. So we've been eating this a lot. So we had to pick up another one. We're not even out yet, but just anticipating it. And then I always have to grab some of the gluten-free pumpkin spice bagels. They are so good. Trader Joe's has really good gluten-free bread and bagel options, and I always love the seasonal flavors, so I had to grab those. And then with those, you have to get the pumpkin cream cheese because, like, hello, it's so delicious. Like, there's just something about this. It just really, really hits. So I'm excited. I'm probably gonna have that for breakfast tomorrow. Marcus grabbed this sour cream spinach dip just to have as a snack in the fridge. This is pretty good. Another item I always have to grab, the gluten-free pumpkin bread and muffin baking mix. It's so delicious. I make it every single year. It's really fun to do like as a little fall night activity. I can admit when things taste gluten-free or if they're a little bit dry, if they're not as good as the original. This is just as good as any pumpkin bread. It is so bomb. You guys need to try it. Add some chocolate chips. It will not disappoint. But if you're gonna pick this up, you definitely have to also get the pumpkin butter. Now this I already had on hand because I didn't use it all up from last year and it doesn't expire till 2024. Spread some of this on top of the pumpkin bread. Game over, it's so good. Next up, I grabbed the non-dairy pumpkin oat beverage. I have never had this. I know it's not gonna like blow my mind because it's kind of, I think it's like unflavored. Well, not unflavored. It's just like a hint of pumpkin. I'm just gonna do a splash of this in my morning coffee, or maybe when I make a protein smoothie, I could do like a pumpkin version, which I have done that before. It's so good. So maybe I'll try that. I just had to, you know, I see pumpkins and I buy, like, what can I say? But moving on over here, the pumpkin streusel muffins. Oh my gosh. If you guys have not had any of the gluten-free muffins from Trader Joe's, like, do yourself a favor and go grab them. You do not have to be gluten-free to enjoy these. They are the best. They're so moist, so delicious, and just perfection. Always have the coffee cake and the chocolate. Those are both amazing. The coffee cake is probably my favorite, but I do love the pumpkin streusels, so I'm really excited. Let me just open these up. And here they are in all their glory. They're amazing. You guys need to try them. And these are always really fun to grab, the cinnamon whisks. I have lisp, so that's hard for me to say. These smell so good. It just reminds me of the fall season. So I always grab a few so I can give them to a friend. I'm gonna do a little basket for my nephew who just moved into his place. I thought for sure I needed to get one of those. And then I have a few more things over here. I guess we'll go there. I grabbed them one of these because it's just so good. If you guys haven't tried this before, this pumpkin body butter, I actually still have mine from last year that I still have a little bit of. So I didn't need a new one, but I thought his girlfriend would like it. And then these room sprays I just saw. I got one for myself and then one for the little basket. It just kind of smells like, honestly smells like the cinnamon whisk, but it says orange, mandarin, cinnamon, and clove oils. It's a festive little room spray, which I love. And then they have a dog, so I wanted to grab some treats for her. And I am gonna get them a few more things, but I just wanted to get them a few little festive goodies from Trader Joe's because it's just the best vibes ever. And I got him a card too. I just thought this was so cute. If you guys don't know, Trader Joe's has the cutest cards for such an amazing price. They had all these festive ones and I was like, who can I give this card to? And I was like, oh, I'll put it in their basket. Marcus grabbed these. He loves their trail mix. And then the dried mango. This is the chili spice version. I love their dried mango. I've never tried the chili one, but I'm sure it's good. And then back here, got some seaweed snacks. These I love to have, and I was happy they had them like in a pack because I kind of hate when you have to buy them individually. I love having these on hand for not only snacks, but for meals, like let's say a salmon bowl or something, you gotta have the seaweed. And then back here we have some snacks, which I'm obsessed with both of these. I mean, these are no secret, but oh my God, these just smack. So they have the best veggie sticks in the world. They literally taste like French fries. Not literally, but something about them. They're so salty and crunchy and just so good. This is my passionate hand in the reflection. These are delicious. And then the crunchy curls, these are a recent discovery of mine. I don't think they're new. They're definitely not. They're new to me. I love them so much. They're lentil and potato snacks, and they just have such like a simple flavor. There's nothing crazy about them, but they're just salty and good. And what I like to do is make a little snack mix for myself. I'll do a little bowl of each of these and kind of mix them together. The saltiness of the veggie sticks gives them the crunchy curls, and the flavors just go great together. So that's what I do. I love them. They're so good. And then Marcus grabbed some baked cheese crunchies, AKA Trader Joe's Cheetos. You could even throw these in the snack mix. I'm sure that would be good. And then back here, not super exciting, but I got 2 containers of beef broth because I am making a pot roast tomorrow and I didn't have this. And I think I just have a few things that I missed over here. Oh yeah, the rolled oats. So I grabbed these. Well, actually Marcus pointed them out that they had these organic gluten-free rolled oats. I love myself some oatmeal, especially in the fall and winter. It's my favorite breakfast. You can prep enough for the whole week and there's your breakfast. It's ready, it's made. All you gotta do is heat it up. So I'm excited about those. I haven't had those before. They were decently priced. And then lastly, I got some eucalyptus, random and not really part of this fall aesthetic, but I wanted to hang it in the shower because I just got a new shower head and I'm gonna shoot some content for it, and I thought these would be really cute hanging from the shower. I had to do a taste test of these gluten-free Madeleines from Trader Joe's. My jaw was on the floor when I saw these because I've been looking for a gluten-free alternative of this cookie for so long. I grew up eating the Starbucks Madeleines. They were my favorite, but I can never have one again because they're not gluten-free. So finally found an alternative and I was so excited. So let's open it up because I'm dying to try these. I don't even know what they look like. Oh, it's like one individual, looks like cornbread. Kind of just smells like yellow cake, you know? Kind of looks like it too. Is this just cake? Okay, now that I've smelled it 4 times. It tastes like yellow cake. I mean, the texture of the Starbucks Madeleine is like something so amazing. And this is literally cake. I mean, like as I eat the whole thing, but the search continues. That's everything. That is my Trader Joe's fall haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you're gluten-free, I hope you got some ideas, and let me know what you guys are gonna pick up. If there's anything I missed, let me know. I am right next to a Trader Joe's, so if I need to go back, I will. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.